Are you someone who's always moving from city to city due to work and is looking for a nice, lightweighted laptop with all the new and latest features inbuilt? Well, if that's the case, then your search comes to an end as Acer has launched a new laptop called TravelLite in India on 6th of March. The company has launched the gadget under the Make in India initiative. Let us tell you that the laptop is a tough one, is of high quality, and is of course easy to carry. It has been specially made for businesses and to meet the changing needs of modern companies. Let's take a look at the newly launched laptop's features, specifications, and its price in India. So Acer's TravelLite is only 1.34 kilos and is perfect for working professionals who are always traveling for work. It is slim and really easy to carry. These laptops come up with various Intel Core processors which ensures a smooth and better performance. It features a 14-inch FHD anti-glare TFT LCD with a 180-degree hinge and an aluminium chassis. When it comes to storage, then the laptop boasts 64 GB of RAM and up to 1 TB of internal storage. For I/O, it has USB 3.2 Gen 2 ports and a USB Type-C full functional port. In terms of battery, Acer is promising a battery life of up to 10 hours with support for 45 watts or 65 watts fast charging options. It also has been devised with advanced security features like Trusted Platform Module, BIOS passwords, and an optional fingerprint reader. It also has amazing additional features like a spill-resistant keyboard with an option for backlight illumination and built-in click pads with Microsoft Precision multi-gesture and scrolling functions for enhanced user control. Now talking about its price, then the TravelLite starts at Rs 34,990 and is available with different battery options ensuring all-day productivity.
Subscribe to Midday India. Get direct notifications on all our videos by clicking on the bell icon.